Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Red Jacket Daily. It's your girl T, and I am back with another not so makeup tutorial. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to be a subscriber. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video right now. If you love fashion related topics, beauty and style, this is the channel for you, so why not go ahead and subscribe? If you are interested in how I achieve this nice, natural, dewy look, go ahead and stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. First, I am going to start with a serum. I've been working on my skincare and making sure I take care of my skin. So if you have T-zone dryness like me, I would definitely recommend getting a serum. So I've been using this serum that I got from Oshuns Essentials, black owned business. It's a female owned company. It's one of my good friends from high school. She has serums, she has toners, anything that you're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of this toner because I definitely believe you can use this as a primer if I'm not mistaken. I've been using this product for about, I want to say about 2-3 weeks now, and I love it. Like, I definitely will recommend it. It's definitely some good product. As you see, my bottle is half gone, but I'm also using it with my fiance, so we definitely been on this, like, trying to take care of our skin and stuff too. So when I was at Sephora, I did get some samples. I got a sample of the Fenty primer. I'm not even going to like sit here and try to like sell you guys. This is some good primer. I'm going to go ahead and start with my Fenty Beauty Profilt'R foundation. I am using the color 430. Using my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. Sorry if I'm like, you see me looking down, my mirror is right in front of me, so I'm just making sure that I can see, because if anybody knows me, they know my little blind self. I'm about as blind as a bat. But I definitely like this primer with this concealer. This primer with this foundation. Like, I'm definitely going to have to buy the whole thing, because I'm definitely here for this primer. It's definitely doing, I feel, what it needs to do, in my opinion. So shout out to you, Rihanna. Since it is still March, and everybody knows March is Women's History Month, I wanted to dedicate, you know, the last couple weeks, or less than a couple weeks of the month, to basically celebrating women and celebrating accomplishments of women. I'm going to go ahead and start with my Fenty Pro Concealer. I am using the color 430. You probably already know, like, you've probably seen many reviews. If you haven't, purpose of the concealer, she wanted it to match your foundation shade, so I got my foundation shade in the concealer. Purpose of this look is to give her a natural, just, you know, beautiful look. Like, not really trying to do too much with this look. This is my first time actually using a concealer that has a stick. You know, I've been using my LA Girl Pro Concealer for like ever. I hear my daughter crying, so she's probably about to be in here in a minute. Her dad's probably about to bring her in here. It goes on really nicely. Like, you really don't need a lot. You guys probably hear her too. But she's probably about to be in here in a minute, so I can feed her. Or she's just probably wondering where I am. Because she's like, she usually sees me or hears me, and I'm not out there, so. I definitely am here for this concealer. Like, it goes on very smooth. The application goes on really nicely. Like, I don't have any complaints. So, excuse me for my dirty beauty blender. Like I said, I have not been able to really clean none of my brushes. Okay, I would definitely say I like this concealer. Y'all better come through and slay and let the girls know what time it is. Your favorite beauty brand can never, like, what? Because, you know, I'll tell you guys if I didn't like something, but For me to have like some of the trouble spots that I have, and for like it to really be the cure, like when they say it's the cure, they don't call it that for no reason. Next, I am going to put on the Fenty Beauty Profilt'R Setting Powder. Yes, I have been dying to try this whole entire collection. I've been seeing so many reviews on it. I've been stalking the page. I've been looking at all the different looks. I am so happy I finally got my hands on this. I got the shade Coffee. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. You get a nice little amount of product on top. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get a nice amount of product on top. Like I had to put the top on and tip it upside down, obviously. From what I've seen, you don't want to use too much of it. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush. This is a matte brush. Number is 129 SE. I don't know if they still sell this brush. I've had this for a very long time. They might sell something similar to this or something more better than this. I've had it for a long time, like I said. I'm going to go ahead and dip my foundation. I'm going to shake it off, shake some of that excess. I'm going to get this put on my face. Because the lady at Sephora told me, has a nice smell too. That use like a more softer brush. She's like, you know, use a full brush. This setting powder is also flawless. It smells really good. It goes on really flawlessly. Like I don't have any complaints other than I probably should have put my concealer on first. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I can get this video out the way and upload it. I am using my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is ABH for those who would like to know the brand if you're not familiar with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Alright, so I did my brows off camera. Next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm using the Profusion's Infatuation palette. I'm going to use this darker color right here, Bossy. I'm just going to put that over my eyelid. Hello. She wants her mother.
Yeah, you heard her.
Yep. But I want my mom. And the next color I'm doing is Outspoken. As you guys see, I was putting it in my crease. Hi, mamas. You have a good time with Daddy?
Make sure y'all follow me. Subscribe to me. Maya's Life.
Look at you in the mirror.
You need my help with anything?
No. You wanted to be in Mommy's YouTube video? Is that what it was? Go ahead and attempt to try to do my mascara while I'm holding my little bundle of joy. The mascara that I'm using is by Covergirl. It is a Lash Blast Volume. It's the color black, I believe. Next, I am going to put on my highlighter in the color Gingersnap. I'm going to go ahead and throw some highlighter on, because you know, wouldn't be me if I didn't. So I'm going to finish this look out. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I am using the color FentyGlow. I love this gloss bomb. So moisturizing. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this look off with my Sephora Beauty Amplifier spray. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, all the products that I use in this video I will link and I will put in the description bar below. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, they'll be in the description bar. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Say bye-bye.